Surprise! I made snow, sort of.
I should have known it was you, Stryder. But this isn't snow. It's toilet paper.
What? No way! Toilet paper? I thought I invented indoor snow!
Well, you know, indoor snow is possible, but not like this.
It's not? But I shook it like snow, and I tossed it like snow, and I even made snow angels.
Well, how about we use science to make real indoor snow that's fluffy and soft?
For real? Science snow? Oh, let's do it right now!
Okay, let's experiment. But first, let's clean up this mess. Okay, I'm ready to experiment. So, to make indoor snow, we're going to use this super special snow powder and a bowl of water.
But it looks like boring salt. I thought snow was supposed to be exciting.
Well, I know it's not much to look at right now, but watch really closely and see what happens when we combine the two.
I'm gonna be watching. My eyes are open so wide. Whoa! Did you see that? It grew! It popped up like popcorn!
It's changing really fast!
It's like it went poof!
Go ahead, Stryder. Touch it.
Okay. Wow! It's soft and cool and fluffy! It feels like winter!
We did it! We made real indoor snow!
We did! We're snow scientists!
So how did this happen? Well, you see, the tiny pieces of snow powder soaked up the water really quickly, just like a sponge soaks up water from the sink.
And like when I soak up juice with a paper towel.
Yes, exactly, Stryder! And what happens is when that water gets absorbed quickly, the powder gets big and fluffy! You know, there are special types of people called chemists who love studying how tiny changes make big differences. Just like when we combine the water and the snow powder to make our new fluffy snow.
Wow! I love being a snow chemist because now we could have a snowball fight!
Come on, everybody! Let's learn about chemistry together!
A chemist mixes elements to make something new, like a witch mixes ingredients for her brew. They use beakers, flasks, and lots of heat too. It's like magic right in front of you. A chemist mixes elements to make something new.
We're gonna see with our eyes, smell with our nose, hear with our ears, and touch with those. What are they? They're hands! Now, what do we see with our eyes? Well, I see something that's white and round. And what do we smell with our nose? It smells crisp and kind of cold. And what do we feel with our hands? Oh, that's definitely cold. Ooh, and kind of powdery. And what do we hear with our ears? I don't hear anything. No sound at all. What is it? It's a snowball. Good job. I had so much fun learning about chemistry with you today. If you want to bring our scientific adventures to your story time, go on Amazon and check out our newest book, Stryder the Spider Explores the Moon. Goodbye!